Anyway, go back here. After that, when I zoom out, zoom in, all you have to do is press this icon right here and filter, filter. But before that, you should highlight the second layer. So this is used as the pixelated photo. So it can be used in GFX. It gives style of your GFX. So all I have to do is press style. I know, no, it's not style. Press pixelate. So you can swipe to the left. So if you and find pixelate section, and then swipe to the left again. You have two choices: dots for hexagonal and dots for square. If you like hexagonal, as you can see, is I think it's like hexagon. When compared to the square, it's at the corners is different, so it depends on the shape. So you can adjust the sizes. The density is like a thickness of the circles, and the angle it is like a the the orientation of the photo that you cropped. And after that you can press the check mark icon. After the next, go back to again X, go back to layer section and press the third layer. So you can edit colors, um the what is it called, the outlines. So I gonna first one I gonna change the tone of the color. Oh, it's not there. Color. So I can adjust the color. So it must be look like a GFX one. Oh, what's this? Uh, so you're gonna look like a GFX. Yeah, saturation. Okay. After that, X and back to filter and go to style. Choose glow outer. As you can see, uh, you can what is this? If you disable the crystal glow, it the entire glow is it's just no, it's like inward. But if you enable this, the crystal glow, it's stretched out so you can see the outline of it. So I'm gonna choose. You can choose any color you want. It depends of your favorite color. So I'm gonna pick, to me is green because that's my main favorite color. And check if you're done. Or also if you want to make GFX more something amazing, you can add shadows. It's up to you if you want to add shadows. I gotta edit because I want my GFX very amazing. There you have it. And this is my GFX, but only the background missing. So press the layer section and import picture. This is a camera icon. Then I've download 5 GFX background because my old one has tons of GFX backgrounds. But sadly, my screen is totally dead or it ruined. So I gotta choose blue one, and then you can adjust the what is this called, the size of the pictures. You can zoom in or zoom out, and then after that, as you can see, I highlight the fourth layer. You should go to number 2 because it goes because the top one there's just not number 2 is only for I don't know what it is. Number 2 is actually layer for the it's like the top layer is number 4 because it arranged high. The highest is the top. The lowest is like I guess it's like goes back. So it goes back, and then but I think for me it's not done. I will also adjust. If you want to adjust color, press filter and adjust color. If you want to change it. So I'm sorry for the bad words because my pronunciation is It's obvious difference. And there you have it, my own GFX without AI. Actually, this is not an AI based GFX. So no one bash me again, please. I don't want bash me again. Next, once you're done, press this button right there, the corner one, and then save image. And there's an option. If you want to save PNG, like PNG GFX used for banners or thumbnails used for creating your videos, press PNG and transparent. Enable transparent. So the behind of the photo is transparent. It's like almost transparent. It's not like it doesn't apply colors. It's only system. It can be changed. So or if you want, okay, that it. If you create GFX like this, JPEG, press the JPEG, and that's it. Press OK. So that's the app saves your crafted GFX on your device. But wait, there's more. That I explained earlier or before. If you want to make your GFX transparent, press this one, save image and PNG, and then press transparent. So the uh, the 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 behind of the avatar is transparent. And there you have my tutorial on making GFX without AI. So I'm very sorry to all members of my server who bashing me so much because all of my GFX I made, everything is made by AI. I'm very sorry everyone. So please don't judge me again. So I'm gonna make GFX without AI. So to make it myself motivated again. But I'm really sad still. I'm sad. I'm depressed. And that's it on my tutorial, guys. So it's gonna be more than 50 minutes. Like if you crop on my CapCut, it's almost for me two parts or three parts. It depends on the video I uploaded. So stay tuned, guys. If you like of this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel Astrocar Roblox Official and join on my Discord server Astrocar Friendship Server. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.